How to create and share a portfolio in ClassDojo. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your teacher account. Once you are logged in, select the class for which you want to create a portfolio. Next, select the student of which you want to share a portfolio of and tap on Post to Portfolio. Here you can upload images, videos or other types of files submitted by student. Add a title, description or notes to provide context and explain the learning outcomes. After adding all the necessary details, tap Post to save the portfolio entry. The portfolio is now accessible to parent, student and other teachers depending on your sharing settings. Portfolios in ClassDojo help track student progress over time, celebrate achievements and provide a digital record of learning that parents can easily access. Now you know how to create and share a portfolio in ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.